Picture an engineer asking an AI, what are the risks of this investment strategy? And getting 3 paragraphs of generic financial mush back. Today, we're uncovering the blueprint hiding inside of every great prompt to fix exactly that.
Now, while the AI's output to that engineer might be technically correct, it's completely useless. Why? Well, because a prompt that broad could apply to literally any investment on Earth, leaving the AI just kind of guessing at what she actually wants.
And honestly, here's the core problem we see all the time. Most people treat a prompt like it's just a simple question. But if you skip the important ingredients, you're going to get vague garbage every single time, no matter how smart the AI model is. You really have to build a structural blueprint instead.
So, the absolutely crucial point here is that a prompt that actually works is built from 4 distinct ingredients. We're talking role, context, task, and format. Let's quickly break them down one by one. First up is role. This tells the model exactly who to be. I mean, think about it. A veteran CFO with 20 years in manufacturing thinks completely differently than just a generic business expert, right? Next is context. This is where you provide the critical background the AI simply cannot know on its own. It needs things like your specific portfolio, your non-negotiable constraints, and the unique situation you're dealing with. Step 3 is task. This tells the AI exactly what to do, and the specific verb you choose matters immensely here. Asking an AI to analyze something produces a vastly different result than asking it to recommend something. And finally, we have format. This tells the model exactly how to package the final answer for you. Do you need a simple bulleted list, a highly formal report, or maybe clean, distinct sections? You have to tell it exactly what you want.
Okay, so watch what happens when our engineer from earlier rewrites her prompt using all 4 of these ingredients. She tells the AI, you are a risk analyst reviewing a concentrated technology portfolio for a retirement fund. The portfolio holds 60% in 3 megacap tech stocks, 30% in growth stage AI companies, and 10% in cash. The fund beneficiary retires in 8 years. Identify the 5 most significant risks specific to this portfolio, and for each, suggest 1 mitigation strategy.
It's a real game changer. This brilliantly illustrates the difference because suddenly, from the exact same model, she gets wildly different and highly specific results. She gets a sector concentration analysis, regulatory risk aimed specifically at AI companies, and sequence of returns risk tied directly to that exact 8-year horizon.
You can think of it kind of like hiring a contractor. Telling them to just build me a building gets you a building, sure, but it's likely just going to be a wasted foundation for what you actually needed. But giving them the exact specialty, the site conditions, the precise structure needed, and a style guide, well, that gets you the finished house you actually pictured. Now, what's really fascinating here is the math backing this all up. Research actually shows that prompt engineering alone can swing task performance by 30 to 50% or more without even changing the model at all. That is huge. Your prompt isn't just a simple input, it's literally a massive multiplier on the AI's capability.
So if you skip the blueprint, you're just pointing out a menu and hoping for the best. But build it right, and that exact same AI suddenly feels like a completely different, far smarter assistant. So the next time you open up a chat, ask yourself, are you just pointing out a menu, or are you building a blueprint?